Let me show you how to make life easier without complicating things. Principle 1. Start small. Trying to fix your whole life overnight? That's a setup for burnout. Want a clean house? Cool. But don't start with every room. Start with one shelf. Just one. Why? Small wins build momentum. That one shelf turns into a drawer, then a room, and before you know it, you're making progress without the overwhelm. Tiny steps lead to lasting change. Principle 2. Decide once. You're wasting energy making the same decisions over and over again. Let's fix that. Pick a go-to outfit and wear it every day. Always order the same coffee or lunch. Done. No more mental stress over small decisions. Why? The less you overthink the small stuff, the more brain power you free up for what actually matters. It's like giving your mind a breather, so you can show up where it counts. Principle 3. Ask what really matters. Not everything deserves your time. So ask yourself, what actually matters to you? The kitchen's a mess, but your family time is slipping away? Leave the dishes. Go be present. The mess can wait. Why? When you give your energy to what truly matters, life starts to feel lighter. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. That's where fulfillment lives. Principle 4. Set boundaries. If you don't set boundaries, people will take everything you've got, and then ask for more. Don't want to reply to that text at 10? Don't. You don't owe anyone an explanation. Why? Boundaries aren't selfish, they're self-respect. They protect your time, your energy, and your peace. No one else will do that for you. Principle 5. Be kind to yourself. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Skipped a workout? Ate junk food? Forgot something? Cool. You're human. Try again tomorrow. Why? Beating yourself up only makes things heavier. Grace is part of the process. Progress over perfection, always. So that's it. This isn't about changing your whole life. It's about making small, intentional shifts that simplify everything. Because living a simple life is easy. But only if you stop making it complicated.